Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So if you want to create a public profile on Snapchat in latest updates, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile, and after clicking on Bitmoji profile you have to simply scroll it down. And if you scroll it down, there was option available of make a public profile, but in latest update it has shifted to upward. No, so now you can simply create your public profile from clicking on here. So you have to simply click on OK and your public profile will be created automatically. So if you want to create a public profile, you have to read some features of the public profile, which are as show off your best snap, which means you can simply share your best snap, you can grow your audience and you can reach more people, and you can also get the insight, which means you can get the information how many person reach your account and how many persons have watched your snap and all other things. In this way you can simply create a public profile on Snapchat without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.